What's up, y'all? My name is Skelly, and today I'd like to announce that I officially have no Wi-Fi. Yes, if you realize. I was just crying over that. Yeah, I feel bad for myself. Just to show you that I'm not lying, I will show you that I'm not lying. Yeah, it works. And I'm just in my room right now. Obviously, I'll have Wi-Fi uploading this video, but I won't have any Wi-Fi to yeah, I won't have Wi-Fi, so I'll show you again proof. Here's proof. I have no Wi-Fi. I am recording. See, I am recording, but see, I'm connected, but look, no Wi. Ooh, the Wi-Fi turned back on. Okay, thank you very much. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not ending that here. Who thinks I would end that here? I'm making a quick vlog before I do my gaming. Camera. Yeah, obviously I wasn't gonna end it there. I just got new Wi-Fi. So, yeah, pretty much. I had no Wi-Fi, but I apparently got it back. I literally was crying about having no Wi-Fi, and still sniffling. So pretty much what we're going to be doing today, we're going to be playing my tablet, and it's going to be pretty fun. I'm going to be playing some Subway Surfers. I'm putting the tablet back in the case so that I can play it. Currently, though, I can't get AZ, which is what I'm using right now to record. But let me set the tablet up. And yeah. So pretty much, yeah, that was pretty cool. So I don't know what to do now. Let's play my tablet, I guess. Yeah. Let me put the tablet back in. Okay, so I'm inside my tablet, and now I'm inside the tablet. So I know I'm obviously lying. I'm still in my phone. Let's play some Subway Surfers. And tablet's over here, and I'm just reading a couple things on Facebook. Pretty much that's all I'm doing. So pretty much last episode of Subway Surfers, we did a couple did some okay, it's hard to we played around with Lucy a little bit. And it was pretty fun playing with Lucy, you know? So, let's see if we can get a higher score. Let's do this. See, like, by the way, in the last episode, we also found out that there's a new update. And, everything pretty much looks different, in this new update. And the cop actually has a fez. So, yeah. Crap, that was hard. Oh crap. Oh, is that it? Yes, it's a C. The weird thing is I haven't finished punk yet. Remember that the other word? Ooh, that's it. That's good. I need you. Yes, I got you. That was a weird noise. Anyway, so yeah. That's gonna be in. Oh. Don't remember buying that, but okay. Can I double that up? No, I don't like this ad. I don't like it. So I have a video can't tell if it's done yet. but let's see if it's done. Let's see if the upload is done. Let me go into normal camera mode, and let's see if it's done with the cameras. Oh, the camera's here, which is why it should be tilted that way. That makes more sense. Okay. No Wi-Fi. Oh, I disconnected it. Forgot. Can I reconnect it now? I connected. Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi? Go online. I think I had one uploading from my tablet. I just don't know. Don't really know. I don't really know. No. Yeah, I did have one. There we go. So there's the video. I just re-edited it. And yeah, let's do a thumbnail moment. That was an awesome thumbnail moment. Hopefully it becomes a thumbnail. So anyway, yeah, I guess we can end that video here. Hope you guys did enjoy, and if you did, drop a like down below and subscribe. And I'll see all you dudes in the next video. Peace. One sec. Not done yet. Peace. Bun done.